All right, today's basic. This series is the continuation of keyboard shortcuts, and today we'll learn about how can we create a folder anywhere on your computer, and how do we cut folders, how do we paste the folders, how do we rename them, and then how can we select everything on the folders. Right? These are pretty simple, basic commands that we're going to learn today. And then the first one, let's get started by creating a new folder. You can, let's say you want to create a folder on your desktop, or you can go to your drive, wherever you want to create a folder. Right, let's say let's create on the desktop. So what I will do on Windows, I press Control Shift and N. Control Shift and N, that gives me this folder. As you can see, this is a new folder, right? We just created this folder. And then to cut the folder, I would press Control and X, right? Control X, right? You can cut the folder. And then let's say I want to paste this folder anywhere up here. I would just do Control and then V. That will paste the folder for me, right? As you can see, the folder got pasted. And to rename the folder, first of all, you have to select the folder. You could right click and rename them multiple ways, right? You could rename it from here, you could rename it from the file, but since we're doing Windows, since we're doing keyboard shortcuts, so I will just select the folder, and then I would do, to rename it, I would press F2 on Windows, right? And then if I press F2, I can rename it, right? Let me press F2. I can just rename it whatever name you want to give, test123, and then hit enter. The folder gets renamed, right? And to select all the folders, let me just copy this and paste here. So let's say you want to select all the folders. You click anywhere on the page, and then you just do Control and A. Pretty much you're selecting everything, right? On this done uploading folders. So anything, anywhere. Let's say I want to select everything. You could, on the word, you could click, right click, drag and drop your mouse. But since we're doing the folder selection, we click over here and we just press Control A. That means we're selecting everything. All right. And then for the Mac user, I can just demo you on the Mac keyboard, right? This is what it looks like. And then first, to create a folder, you'd be pressing Command Shift and N. Command is this, Shift is this, and letter N is in Nancy, right? So basically you're replacing Control for Windows. For Mac, you're replacing to Command, okay? And then to cut the files, you would do Command and X. And then to paste, you do Command and V. To rename it, you would do you could select, as you can see, select the file folder name, press enter, or double click to rename it. You could do it like that too. And same thing on the Windows. You just if you double click um, like that, you can do that on the Mac. Okay. And then to select everything on Windows, you do Control A, and for the Mac you would do Command and A. Same thing, you're replacing the Control to Command. Okay. All right.